Hello! In this short video, we share some more tips to help users get the most out of PASS. One very useful feature of PASS is the ability to specify and compare results for multiple values of the input parameters. For example, PASS makes it easy to examine how various values of the standard deviation affect the estimated sample size. There are a few different ways to specify multiple values. One way is to type in the desired values directly, separated by spaces, commas, or semicolons, depending on your computer language setting. Spaces always work, so we suggest you use those to separate lists. Another way is to select multiple values from the drop-down. This way is not likely to be useful since the drop-down list will rarely contain the desired values, but it could be used as a starting point for entering values directly. A third option is the use of the multiple value selection drop-down. This is the rightmost button of any parameter entry box where multiple values may be entered. Clicking this little button gives two entry type options: List and Series. The List option allows you to simply put a check next to the desired values among a list of common values. Values may also be added to the checkbox list. The Series option allows you to enter a beginning value, an ending value, and an increment. The Series option can be used to enter a large number of values quickly. PASS will generate a separate calculation result for each value of the series. The values of the series will also serve as the x-axis, or legend values of power or sample size plots. If more than one box has multiple values, PASS will generate a separate calculation result for each combination of the parameters. Sometimes it is useful, particularly in the more complex procedures, to return all the parameters and settings of the procedure to the default values. This is done by clicking the Reset button at the top left of the procedure window. Or equivalently, you can go to the File menu and click New Template Reset. You may wish to save the current template before doing this, as all the settings and values will be replaced. The Installation Validation tool for installation qualification may be used to validate that the software is installed completely and correctly. The tool can also be used to verify that no files have been changed since the software was installed. The Installation Validation tool compares all PASS installation files against factory requirements and reports if any required files or folders are missing or invalid. Summary and detailed validation reports are created and displayed in the output window. If all files and folders pass installation qualification, then you can be certain that the software is installed correctly. If at any time you begin to experience any type of issues with the software, we suggest that you run the Installation Validation tool to verify that all the required files are present and that none have changed or become corrupted. This tool can be loaded from the Tools menu or the Help menu. The Probability Calculator tool can be accessed from the Tools menu of any of the main windows. The Probability Calculator tool can be very handy for quickly obtaining distribution probabilities or values. It often saves the user from needing to look up values in a probability table. for most of the probability distributions, the user can calculate either the probability from a value or the value from a probability.